going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about why I have to partially rebuild the B20 for my daily. We're also going to talk about the plans for the project car and why it has no motor. I have a bunch of cars in my yards with no motors. Oh yeah, the project car, it's an all-wheel drive wagon. Let's go into the garage and get started. What's going on, guys? So let's talk about the project car. The project car is a 1991 Civic RT wagon, completely bone stock. The only thing that I've changed is I've installed power windows from a 4-door into it. I've had it for about 5 years. This is the car that I wanted to start off the channel with, but in the middle of getting everything ready to launch the channel, my motor in my daily broke. So everything got put on hold. I was hoping that I could save the motor in the daily, but unfortunately the main bearings were seized to the crank. So I ran to the junkyard, hoping I can get a motor, throw it in, and keep on going. Unfortunately, I went through 3 motors before I decided that I'm just going to build the best one that I got. In the middle of doing that, a friend of mine needed the motor out of the wagon. So we pulled the motor out so he could use it into his wagon so we can rebuild the motor that came out of his car for higher boost. More on that to come later. So plans from here on out are to finish the CRV because I need a daily driver, and then we are going to get back on the wagon, no pun intended. We're going to start with body and paint and then wire tuck. I still need to find a B series transmission because I want to go all-wheel drive B series. I have a motor that I'm going to send off to CSS, but I still need to find a transmission since I'm going to keep the CRV as my daily driver. What's going on, guys? So we're going to cut the video here. Next episode, I'll show you more progress on the motor for the daily and whatever else I got going on. Talk to you guys later. And also, thank you for coming back and checking out Junkyard Performance. Deuces this time.